How to log into Costco Citi Card account online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Costco Citi Card login and then search for it. You will be directed to this page. Now here you're going to find different website links. Go ahead and click on this one website, Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of Sign On. Click on it. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and fill this. Type in the user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember User ID. Once you fill this, you can click on the option of Sign On. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, click on these options to recover it. Now click on Sign On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on these options and do that. So this is how you can easily log into Costco Citi Card online account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.